Ó a cara na parede, ó. Eu avisei.
Oh, I'm gonna knock out some homework real quick.
Ai. Ai,
No! What are you doing? Beans!
Two times.
Look at this little kitten. Hey. Oh, did you say hi?
Stop, you're scaring me.
Ah, 不好意思。喵。
From the basement?
Said behave. What do you mean no?
I got a fight!
For them.
I know you're about to bite me.
Bubbles, you couldn't be patient.
Oh, 还有这个。
Here he goes.
Are you embarrassed?
Okay, you done stood.
не надо. Ты.
And then you started cleaning yourself with your gross, stinky little gross breath.
Excuse me? Excuse me? George!
I want to drink liquor. I don't like liquor. What the hell's at the game? Oh my.
What are you doing?
He's spicy.
Get off my car.
No, it's meow mix. Try again.
Oh my god! That is absolutely.
Hi.
No! Oh my god!
This one's mean as fuck.
Dude, are you okay?
Back feet like this here. This. Oh hell!
Bitch.
Ew, ew.
Joey.
No, you jumped over these.
Abusing his office for his personal political gain here, trying to pressure this.
Do that.
Is he going to deliver? Sweet. Oh!
Excuse me.
Now you're about to bite me.
What? No.
Holy It's gonna make it. Theo.
So, mirror, stand on the wall. Please try to make me the coolest kid of them all. This girl with the hair, better beware, cause everywhere she be, I'ma be there like. Hello, my name is Susie. That's Susie with the Z. And no, I did say Susie. Originality, my mom told me that I would be the coolest. Yep. And if people don't like it, then they're.
Wow.
Stop being.
If that's my cat,
Who the fuck is this?
Hello. Hello. Hi.
Ow.
Somebody come get her. She dancing like a street.
Bruh.